guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official, and welcome back with the new topics today. So we will continue with the invert level. So as you can see in our previous tutorials, I have completed the invert level for the waste pipe. So today we are going to do the invert level calculation for the swell pipe. As you can see, this is yellow color is showing swell pipe. Okay, so how to calculate the invert level for the swell pipe. So today we are going to see this one. Okay, so before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not yet subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well, so that you cannot miss any my videos whenever I upload any videos. So you will directly get the notification for that videos. Okay, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, I would request you guys, please share my video to your friends also. So let's start now. So as you can see, for the waste pipe, in this elevation of the waste pipe is a start from 100 mm from the slab. So so for this swell pipe, we have to start the elevation at 200 mm. Okay, and remaining process is same. Only this elevation will start from 200 mm. Okay, so how to do that we will see here. Okay, so as you can see, this is, for example, this is your building riser diagram. This is ground floor, first floor and roof floor. So this is your pipe, for example, here. Okay, this is your waste pipe. Okay, so your soil pipe will start at a distance of 200 mm. Okay, so how to show here, make this current layer, soil pipe as a current layer, and take one line from here to here. Okay, and move this. Move at a distance of 200 mm. Okay, and then offset is 4 inch, that is 1110 from here. Okay, so this is your elevation. Okay, so this is the top of the pipe from the slab. Okay, so how to check this? We'll check like this. Okay, this is 200. This is slab, and the top of the pipe is should be 200 for the waste pipe. Okay, sorry, soil pipe, and for the waste pipe from the slab it should be 100 mm. So this is the only difference, and 200 is nothing but the 0.2 meter. Okay, so how to show here? As you can see, you can start from the remotest point, so for the farthest point. Okay, so for the waste pipe, this is the farthest point, and for the swell pipe, this is the point for the farthest one. So how to write it here? You simple make this text as a current layer and take the leader line like this. Okay, and simple copy this any one of the text. Okay, and put it here, move it up. Okay, use move command and move this text up. Okay, simple select this text and change the color just for identification. It is swell pipe. Okay, and double click to edit. So how to write it here? The first point should be 0.200. Okay, IL 0.200. Okay, starting from 0.200. 100 mm is how to convert into the meter. I will show you. See, 100 is in mm, so sorry, 200 is in mm divided by 1000. Simply divide, so it comes 0.2 meter. Okay, so this is your 0.2 meter. Always this invert level should you need to write in meter. Okay, so this will be 0.2 IL 200. Okay, what will be the elevation here? So this is your reference point, 0.2. Okay, 0.2 meter. So here will be your elevation will be, how to write it here? like this. Simple copy this one, copy this text, and place it here. Okay, simply move little bit down. Okay, and double click to edit. So before editing you should check this distance from this point to this fitting. Okay, so use di command. Di is nothing but the distance command, and from this fitting you should check like this and type m for the multiple points. So m, enter, select this point and up to here. Okay, so it is showing here, you can see here in the command bar 964 mm. Okay, it is showing in the mm. So how to convert into the meter? Okay, so 964 divided by 1000. Okay, and for 1% you should divide by 100. 1% slope, so 0.009 plus 0.200. Okay, you should add that, so 0.209. Here your slope will be 0.209, 1% slope. Okay, okay, so in the next fitting here, simply copy this, use co copy command and place it here. Then again check this distance from this fitting to this fitting. Okay, use distance command, di, click at this point and simple click at this point. Okay, so you can see here is showing 844 mm. So how to convert this? 844 divided by 1000. Okay, and again divided by 100. So it is coming 0.008 plus add this value 0.209, so 0.209. Okay, so it is coming 0.217. So double click to edit, 0.217. Okay, so what will be your elevation here? So here will be less than 8%. So first calculate the 8% for this. So simple check the di distance. Okay, from this point and type m for the multiple. So click here and click here. It is showing 919. So what will be the 1% for 919? So 919 divided by 1000 to convert in meter and again divided by 100, 0.009. Okay, so 0.009 should be subtracted from this value. Okay, because this branch is always connected in the main line from the top. Okay, so 0.009. Okay, so 0.217 minus 0.009, so 0.208. Okay, so here your invert level will be 0.208. so how to write this? Here is no space, so take the leader line command and impel from this point, okay, to this point here. Okay, so simple copy this text, here. Okay, and double click to edit and write this value 0.208. Okay, so 0.208. Okay, and the next again here for this point, simply copy this, place it here. Okay, and then check the distance, use di command, click at this point and click here. It is showing 844. Again 844, you should check 1%, so divided by 100, first convert into the meter then again divided by 100 for percentage. So 0.008 plus add this value here to 0.217. So 0.217. Okay, so 0.225. Double click to edit. 0.225. Okay. Again, what will be the slope here at this point? So similarly, you have to copy this, okay, and place it here, okay, and then we check the distance. So use di command, click at this point, use multiple point, so type m, click here, so it is showing 919. Okay, so 919 919 divided by 1000. Okay, again divided by 100, it should be 0.009. Okay, so 0.009 should be subtracted from this value. So 0.225 minus 0.009. For the branch you should subtract, okay, and for the main line you should add. So what will be the value here? 216, 0.216. So double click to edit. 0.216. Okay, so this is your invert level for this point, and then come to this point. So what will be the invert level here? So here will be your invert level. Simply copy this, okay, place it here, okay, and then check the distance. Okay, so simply use this distance command di and start from this point, type m for the multiple, click here, okay, then click here up to this point only. Okay, so it is showing 351. Okay, so 351 simply convert into the meter, divided by 1000. Okay, then again divided by 100. So 0.003. Okay, so this value should be added in this value, so plus 0.225, 0.228. So double click to edit. 0.228. Okay, and then the final elevation for this point will be, simply copy this one, copy this, place it here, okay, and move this arrow like this, and move this value also down. Okay, so simply check the distance. So use di command from this point to this point. Okay, so it is showing 1252. So 1252 divided by 1000, okay, and then again divided by 100. It is showing 0.012 plus add this value. Okay, so plus 0.228. Okay, so it will be 0.240. Double click to edit. 0.240. Okay, and then for this branch, what will be the slope here? So simply check the distance from this point to this point. Okay, then it is showing 377. So simple convert into this meter. 377 divided by 1000, again divided by 100. Okay, so 0.003, and this value should be subtracted from this value. So 0.003, 0.240 minus 0.003. Okay, so 0.237. Here your invert level will be move this one little bit up, erase this leader line and take it up like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and move it up, move this value. Okay, and move this one also little bit. Okay, simple check this 0.237, double click to edit 0.237. okay, so this is how to calculate the invert level for the waste pipe and soil pipe. So I think you guys learn something from this video. So please, I would like to request once again you guys, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon as well to get the notification of my upcoming all the videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet in the next tutorial. So see you. Bye.